The Grand California 600 model also has an overcab bed located above the front seats. Given its size, this is designed for use by children or adults under the height of 175 centimetres. To start, press the button located here to pull out the bed, and then continue to use the handle to manually pull the bed out until the strut folds down automatically. Once completed, fold out the headboard on the left side. To hop up into bed, remove the ladder which is located just here and unfold, making sure it's fully extended before attaching it securely to the handle of the roof bed, like this. Please remember that the safety net should always be fitted when children sleep in the roof bed. To stow the roof bed away again, remove the safety net and stow it securely. Then remove the ladder. Fold it up and place it back on the roof bed, clicking the two black hooks into place to hold it tightly. Then fold in the headboard before using the handle to slide the roof bed back into position, ensuring it clicks into place. Finally, fold in the left strut above the bench seat. And that's it. You can hit the open road again.